Students, today we are going to see the topic subtraction of fractions. Let's discuss some examples given in the exercise 4.5. Question number A, find the difference. See the first example. Here we have to subtract the fraction 1 by 4 from the fraction 3 by 4. Now 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 are the like fractions as they are having same denominators. To subtract the like fractions, we subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. Hence 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4, which is equal to 2 by 4. Hence 2 by 4 is the final answer. See the next example. Subtract 1 by 2 and 3 by 8. Now 1 by 2 and 3 by 8 are the unlike fractions. Hence we cannot subtract them directly. To subtract the unlike fractions, first we convert them into like fractions. And to convert the like fractions, we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. The denominators are 2 and 8 and their LCM is 8 only. Since the LCM is 8, we have to make the denominator of both the fractions 8. But the denominator of the second fraction is already 8, so I have written it as it is. And to make the denominator of the first fraction 8, we have to multiply it by 4. But as you are going to multiply the denominator by 4, you need to multiply the numerator by 4 as well, right? Hence you can see here in the first fraction I have multiplied the numerator and the denominator by the number 4. And second fraction will come down as it is. After solving, what will you get? Yes, the first fraction will be 4 by 8 and the second is 3 by 8 only. Now 4 by 8 and 3 by 8 are the like fractions. So now we are going to subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. So what will come? 4 minus 3 upon 8, which is equal to 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is the final answer. See the third example. Now we have to subtract the number 2 and 1 by 4. The first number is 2 having no denominators. So whenever the number is having no denominator, we take it as a 1. So it will be 2 by 1 now. And the second number is 1 is to 1 by 4, which is a mixed number, right? So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. Now let's see how to convert it. First we multiply 1 and 4. Now 4 ones are 4. And then we add numerator to it. So 4 plus 1 come 5. So here I have written 5 in the numerator and copy the denominator. So the improper fraction will be 5 by 4. Now we have 2 by 1 and 5 by 4, right? But they are unlike fractions. Hence to subtract them, first we have to convert it into like fractions. Means we have to make their denominators same. You can see here the denominator of the second fraction is 4. So we can easily make the denominator of the first fraction 4 by multiplying 4 only. So you can see in the next step, I have multiplied the first fraction by the number 4 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. And the second fraction will come down as it is. After solving, what will you get? Yes, 8 by 4 and 5 by 4. 8 by 4 and 5 by 4 are the like fractions. Hence to subtract, we subtract only numerator and copy the denominator. Hence, what will come? 8 minus 5 upon 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is the required difference of the given two numbers. See one more example. Subtract 2 3 by 8 and 1 by 4. Here both the numbers are mixed number. Hence to subtract them, first we convert them into improper fractions. See the first number. How to convert it into improper fraction? First we multiply 2 and 8. Now 2 8s are 16. And then add numerator to it. So 16 plus 3 will come 19. So the fraction become 19 by 8. We copy the denominator. Okay. So the fraction will be 19 by 8. Now coming to the second number. The second number is 1 by 4. And just now we have seen after converting into improper fraction we'll get 5 by 4. Right? Now 19 by 8 and 5 by 4 are the unlike fractions. Hence to subtract them, we have to convert them into like fraction. Means we have to make their denominators same. To make the denominators same, I only multiplied the second fraction by 2 only. Okay. So what will you get? The first fraction will be as it is, which is 9 by 8, and in the second fraction we get 5 into 2 upon 4 into 2. After solving we get 19 by 8 minus 10 by 8. Now 19 by 8 and 10 by 8 are the like fractions, so we can easily subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. So it will come 19 minus 10 upon 8, which is equal to 9 by 8. So likewise you can solve the remaining subtraction problems given in your textbook.